In my house, everyone likes South Indian food, and especially if we talk about soft idlis, it's everyone's favorite. This time, I added a special ingredient in my idli batter because of which the idli becomes soft like sponge. So, I have shared the ingredient list, just you can use the same measurement to have the same batter. But make sure there is one more tip to understand that when you wash the urad dal, just wash it once nicely and thoroughly, and after that soak the urad dal for the entire night, and the rice everything for the whole night, and keep that water preserved, especially the dal's water, to grind the entire mixture. After that grinding, keep it again for whole night for the fermentation, and once you steam it, you will have this soft sponge like idlis. Everyone would love it. Even the same batter can be used to prepare dosas and uttapams. It will taste much better, and it's very crispy. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.